Hello, my name is Yadira Ruiz and I am here from San Diego Workforce Partnership. We are currently partnered with San Diego Futures Foundation. We're sponsoring 10 paid work experiences for the youth that are coming from Hoover High School that are looking to get their A+ certifications. We are very excited about this program because we hope that we can continue to collaborate to make sure that the youth are able to have an opportunity to get into the IT field right out of a high school. So that's what we're trying to do, kind of bridge that gap between high school and not everybody that's ready to go into a 4-year degree college. We're able to provide this opportunity so maybe they can get, start to work right away, right after high school.